How to link WhatsApp to other devices. So hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to be linking my laptop to my WhatsApp device. So basically, my main device for WhatsApp is in my mobile phone. So here, what we're going to do is to simply open a browser and go to webs.whatsapp.com. So here in web.whatsapp.com, we are going to simply follow the process right here. So first, we need to open WhatsApp on our phone and tap the menu on the ellipsis button in the upper right hand corner. Click on settings afterwards and select linked devices. Now, when you click on linked devices, you're going to tap on a linked device and then point your phone to the screen to capture the QR code provided in this section. All right, let me show you how it is done in the mobile phone. So let's continue. Now let's open our WhatsApp application in our mobile phone. So in the upper right hand corner, click on the ellipsis button and click on link devices. Now you just need to scan the QR code provided here in our laptop, and afterwards, basically you will be logged into your WhatsApp account. So here, let's go back to our laptop. So there it's loading, and now you can see that your WhatsApp has been added. And that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you find this video helpful.